If you want to build a pipe bomb for your tire pressure sensors, you need a PVC tube and 2 caps. The length and the diameter shall be as big that all sensors fit in. Additionally, you need adhesive, solvent cement for PVC, and a valve to adjust the pressure in the canister later. Some kind of foam will be helpful later on as well. Now let's start the work. First, shorten the tube if it's too long. Put some adhesive on one cap and on one end of the tube. Press the cap onto the tube. You can use the outcoming adhesive as sealing. Fill some foam into the tube and also wrap the tire pressure sensors into the foam and insert them as well. The other cap needs a hole for the valve, so drill a hole. Once the valve is inside the cap, open the valve that air can go out. This is needed cause otherwise you cannot press the cap onto the tube. Again, put some adhesive onto the cap and the tube and press them together. The adhesive needs 24 hours to dry out. You can use this time to drink a beer and another beer, or you can be as cool as we are and modify the pipe bomb a little bit. If everything is dried out, adjust the pressure inside the pipe bomb and put it somewhere into your car. No matter which tires or sensors you will use in future, error codes will never show up again.